Hey friends, this is Ram and you're watching Fitnessgeek. This is a quick update on the channels. So we will not be posting anything related to fitness. This is a decision we have made based on the way fitness has grown in the market, and you can see all the social media already having a lot of content related to fitness. This and I'm not bringing anything new to the table, so I thought to just drop it off my playlists, and I've started deleting all the data that all the content that I had in terms of fitness. So yeah, this is a conscious decision that I have made, and will I will not be posting anything more related to fitness. The channel will go through rebranding, and we will be posting mostly tutorials, step-by-step guides, some how to fix and troubleshooting scenarios. We'll be posting some proper series of tutorials. So we'll be doing those kind of content, and we'll be trying to help anyone who faces these kinds of the challenges in the work. And if you want me to make some videos or content on a particular topic, you can send me that. You can just communicate that in the comments, and I'll be trying to cater to all those feedbacks. So yeah, I sincerely apologize to anyone who has followed this channel because of the fitness content, but going forward we'll not be able to sustain that. So that's a decision that we had to make. I apologize, but also I'm very thankful to everyone who has supported me. So far, we have reached around 1200 subscribers, which is a big deal. We never thought we will ever be able to, reach that. It was just a side project, which is doing quite well now. So I thought to focus a bit more on things that actually is being liked, and people are asking me to, do more of that. So yeah, that's the quick update, and looking forward to uh, you know uh, have some more communication on the comment section. You can directly ping me on LinkedIn or Instagram, and yeah, thanks for all the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.